Yeah, what's up, man, bro? No, I didn't.